Hello children, welcome back to another exciting session of Genius Minds. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and safe. Dear children, we see so many things around us in our day-to-day life. Look at this picture. It has cabinets, utensils, electric stove, chimney, microwave, wardrobes, and in this picture, chandeliers, lights, fan, television, furnishings, and so many things. Look at this picture of a woman. She is working in an office, and on her desk she has so many things like computer, mobile phone, land phone, headphones, calculators, keyboards, and so many other things. Look at this picture of a hospital. It has so many equipments, isn't it? They are operating a person. They have so many equipments around us. There are so many machines, lights, television, AC, and many other things you can clearly see in this picture. Here is a picture of a lab where a woman is testing the samples. And this is a picture of industry machines. Yes, in companies and industries, they use huge amount of big machines. These machines made the man's work very easily and faster and with the less time. Look at the clock, it is also a machine. You might be thinking, why am I saying this today? Guess the topic of today's session? Yes, so today we shall study about machines around us. Yes. Dear children, we use many machines at home. A machine makes our work easier. We see fan, refrigerator, mixer grinder, washing machine, television, microwave, and so many things at our home, isn't it? We also find many machines outside the home. Dear children, we can see the vehicles like bicycle, bus, bike, car, aeroplanes, and so many machines outside our house, isn't it? Then why do we use machines? We can do our work faster using machine. Let us practice here. Tick the actions which are faster and easier. It has two columns, column A and column B. In column A, a man is using stone mortar grinder, and in the column B, there is a mixer grinder. Which work faster and easier? Yes, it is column B. Very good. In the next picture, a man is washing clothes with his hands, and in the picture, the woman is washing clothes with the machine. Which works faster? Yes, washing machine. Good. Now, think and answer. Tick those which are machines. Yes, these two are machines. Now look at these three pictures. Which is the machine? Yes, television. Tick yes or no. We can do our work faster using machine. Yes or no? Yes, machines are found only at home. No, a teddy bear is a machine. No, it is not a machine. Good job, children. Now let us move on to natural and man-made things. Things around us are natural or man-made. Look at the pictures below. They are natural things which are made by God. Butterfly, waterfall, and stars. Yes. Man-made things are made by human beings, like this table, pencil box, football. These are all man-made things. Yes, very good. Then how do machines work? There are different types of machines. Some machines are run by humans, like bicycle and this sewing machine. Some machines work on electricity, like these pictures given below: iron box, microwave, and a sandwich maker. Yes, these are machines which works on electricity. But some machines need fuel like petrol or diesel to work, like vehicles, buses, cars, airplanes. They need petrol or diesel to work. Now let us move on to some machines that work on batteries. Yes. So here is a wall clock, a camera, and a calculator. All these machines work with the help of batteries. Yes. Computer, a smart machine. Do you have computer at home? A computer is a smart machine. It can do many things. I can work fast. Yes, it works very faster than human. I can store songs and pictures. Yes, it can store movies, games, songs and pictures. I have good memory. Yes, it has a good memory, more than thousands of people. I can do many things at a time. Yes, it can do many things, many works at same time. I do not get tired. Yes, just with little work we get tired, but computer will never get tired. Now let us move on to worksheets. Are you ready? Yes. Value based question. Many machines are used by us at home to do different jobs. They help us for, can you tell me? Complete the work faster, be friendly with all, be happy with all the family members, complete the work faster. Very good. Now quiz time. Fill in the blanks. Machines make our work easier or difficult? Easier. Some machines run on soil or electricity? Electricity, yes. A bus runs on fuel or water? Fuel, yes, very good. A computer is a dash thing, natural or man-made? Man-made thing, yes children, very good job. Now let us move on to match the following. Match the following with their functions. Iron box, ironing the clothes, yes. Microwave, heating food. AC, cooling the room. Yes, very good children. Now let us move on to write whether the following statements are true or false. Yes, a car is a machine. Yes, it is a machine. A calculator is not a machine. This statement is false. Yes. All machines work on electricity. False. No children, all machines do not work on electricity. Some may work on batteries, fuels and other things. Yes. Some machines work on battery. Yes, true. A computer is a smart machine. Yes, it is a true statement. Now let us move on to question time. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following statements is true? A computer is a machine or a computer is a natural thing? Which one is the true statement? A. Yes, a computer is a machine. How are machines useful to us? A. They make our work easier, or B. They help us work from anywhere. The right answer is they make our work easier. Yes, very good children. The machine makes our work easier. Now let us move on to answer the following. Name any two man-made things. Can you mention two things which are made by man? Yes, machines, furniture and other things. Name any two machines that run on fuel. Buses, aeroplane, cars and so many things run with the help of fuel. Now it is a home assignment. Let us see. It is a project work today. Look at the things around you and make a list of things that makes your work faster and easier. You see so many things in your day-to-day life, isn't it, children? So you have to make a list of things that makes your work faster and easier. Now here ends the session. Yes. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for the notification of the next session. I don't want you to miss my next session. So see you in the another exciting session. Take care. Bye-bye.